Let us deal with some of the special questions of similarity. I have written one question on the board already. You can see here, I am not writing the question, but you can understand it, that it is a triangle in which this AD is the median, that is D is the midpoint. Okay, D is the midpoint of BC, so AD is the median, and again you can see there is again a median on triangle ABD. That is BE is the median of triangle ABD. Means again E is the midpoint. Okay. So what I understand from this, I understand that BD length is equal to DC length. So for the beginning part itself, what I am taking here, BD, let it be equal to DC, let it be equal to X units. This is in the given part to me. I am not thinking what is asked. First I am writing this. Then secondly, your AE is equal to ED, that is equal to Y units supposingly, that is also given to me. Okay. So when I note it down, so I get this as X and this as Y. Okay. But the question talks about area. So area of triangle, whatever I need to take, is actually half into base into height. But if you see here, the relationship is established between triangle ABC, that is a big triangle if I say so, and a small triangle BED which is present inside it. Okay, the relationship is established between this triangle and this triangle, and that also is of area. So if you see, this triangle ABC is divided into two parts first by this median, and you have learned earlier that if you see here very carefully, you will find this base is same because length is equal, so base is equal. Okay, so if base is equal, then ratio of areas of these two triangles will be proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay, so here if I see what I get, that is my first observation tells me that area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ADC. I know very carefully that ratio of areas of two triangles is proportional to the product of their corresponding bases and heights. Now here luckily the base is same, equal, means I mean to say the base is equal already. Okay, so ratio only will be of height, correct? Ratio only will be of height. But here you see the height will be drawn from vertex A, which will be perpendicular on the base. So for both the triangle, height remains same. Means here you have base as well as height same. So ratio of areas is 1:1 because base and height is same. Okay, I have mentioned already in my earlier videos how to know height is same. That you go through it, so you will come to know how to know height is same. So why height is same, that is already known to me. Okay, and base already is same. That means I can draw one conclusion over here, that median of the triangle divides the triangle into two triangles of equal areas. Okay, it will divide the triangle into two triangles of equal areas. That means I can say here that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC, and let it be equal to so called as delta. Okay, delta square units. Okay, now the same story will be applicable over here also. That is, when I take triangle ABD, then in triangle ABD, here also I will get the same thing. I can see a median, so obviously the base are equal and opposite vertex is common, that is why height is also equal. So I can get here that area of triangle ABE is to area of triangle BED. That also will be 1:1 because base and height both are same here, right? So it also tells me here that area of triangle ABE is to area of triangle, this is equal, so that is equal to area of triangle BED. Let it be assumed as delta 1 unit square. Okay. So when I see the area of triangle ABC, so now when I take area of triangle ABC, so it clearly means that I have to add area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC are taken as delta. So I will write it as delta plus delta, which is nothing but equal to 2 delta. Okay. Now this 2 delta can be taken as this area or otherwise this area. The area that I am interested lies in triangle ABD. So I will write here 2 times area of triangle ABD. I am not writing area of triangle ADC over here because the area of BED lies in ABD. So I took that. Now that area of triangle ABD, if you see, that area of triangle ABD, that is 2 area of triangle ABD. So actually area of triangle ABD can be written as area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BED. Okay, that is when you add this area and this area, you will get area of triangle ABD. Now ABE and this are taken as delta 1. That means this is going to be, that is area of triangle ABC is going to be 2 times of 2 delta 1. So in short, it becomes 2 2s are 4 delta 1, that is 4 into delta 1. Delta 1 means maybe either this or this. So which you want, that you replace. That is you require 4 area of triangle BED. So I get area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 times area of triangle BED. So what I studied one important thing over here, that if there is a triangle, then median of the triangle divides the triangle into 2 triangles of same area. Now coming to the next question, it very clearly states here that there is a triangle in which line L is cutting side AB and side AC at x and y, and the ratio of AX is to XB is told as 3:5. Ratio of AX is to XB is told as 3:5. Okay, it is ratio, not the length, mind it. And area of triangle ABC is told as 16. Now what I am going to think is, if I want to find area of triangle BXY, which I am not joining it right now, don't want to disturb the figure. So for that, it is very important for me to find the area of this particular quadrilateral BXYC. And how I am going to find that area? I am going to find this area which is already known to me, ABC 16. And from that I will be subtracting area of triangle AXY. That means I have to establish the relationship between the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle AXY. The ratio of areas, if I think, then will be proportional to product of their corresponding bases and heights. So obviously I do not have base, neither do I have height. So that matter is gone. So how do I relate it again? I am going to relate this particular area with this small area of triangle. So I am going to think where I am getting this particular thing. I am getting it in the ratio of areas if the triangles are similar. So my first job is to show these two triangles similar. So that I am doing, that is, if I see here, it is being told to me that line L is parallel to side BC. Okay. If line L is parallel to side BC, and if I consider AB as the transversal and anyone, that is AB or AC, and AB as transversal. So if I get it, then angle AXY and angle ABC, AXY and angle ABC, they are forming corresponding angles. And if lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are congruent. So I will get here my first step as the angle AXY will be congruent to angle B. This is converse of corresponding angles test. Okay, so I got one pair of corresponding angles congruent. I can do it in this way and same this I can get this, but I can get same way AYX and ACB also congruent, but that much line I will not write, but I can very clearly see that angle A is common in both. So in these two triangles I have two pair of corresponding angles congruent. Then obviously this particular triangles are similar. So therefore if I go to this particular triangle A to XY and triangle ABC. I have deeply explained this concept in my previous video of similarity, basics of similarity and all that. So you can go through that. You will understand what I am doing. So here I very clearly see that angle A is congruent to angle A, which is a common angle. Okay? And then I have angle AXY congruent to angle B, which is from 1. So what I understood, two angles of one triangle are correspondingly congruent to two angles of another triangle. Then the two triangles are said to be similar. Okay? By AA test. So therefore triangle AXY is similar to triangle. Check this out. AXY. I have also explained how to take correspondence in my previous videos. So A goes with A, to number 1. Here X goes with B, to number 2. And one more remains that you can write any. That is, this is by AA test for similarity. Okay. Now once the two triangles are similar, so this is my job which is completed. So now it says that if two triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of these two triangles is proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. So I can get ratio as AX is to AB. So I will see here I have AX is to XB, right? I do not have AX is to AB. And mind it is not a length, so you cannot add it. Huh? So let me पहले complete this thing. यानी इसका मैं पहले निपटारा करूँ, then I will go to this particular ratio of areas. I have right now AX is to XB is equal to 3 is to 5. Now I want AX to survive and XB to die. Not required, ना? तो it is to die. तो दोज जिसको आपको सर्वाइव करना है, टेक इट टू द डिनोमिनेटर, दैट इज डू इनवर्टेंडो, दैट इज एक्स बी इज टू ए एक्स इज 5 is to 3. This is your invertendo. Okay. Now it is very untold truth that if you add XB and AX, अगर आप AX और XB को ऐड कर देते हो, AX and XB if you add, तो you are going to get AB, right? तो XB plus AX, I can do it using so-called as componendo. This is by componendo adding, right? Okay. So XB plus AX if you do, XB plus AX if you do, so you are going to get AB. So AB is to AX is equal to 8 is to 3. Okay. So you got this AB is to AX as 8 is to 3. So from second, which I have already got, I will get my third statement over here, that area of triangle AXY is to area of triangle ABC is actually equal to, it is actually equal to what? It is actually equal to the squares of its corresponding sides. So which sides I have? I have AB and AX. AX being the upper wala, so I will write it first second. AX square is to AB square. You need to write the reason over here, which I am not writing because as of lack of space. But you have to write here, it is ratio of areas of similar triangles. Okay. Now here you can see if this is area of triangle AXY is to, this is 16, I think so told you, 16. And this AX is to AB, AX square is to AB square, can be written as AX by AB the whole square. Correct? So AX by AB is your 3 is to 8 and whole square of 8. Okay. So now I get this as 9 is to 64. So we get कि area of triangle AXY is to 16 is 9 is to 64. So when I solve it, so I get it as 9 by 4 also you can keep, or you can practically divide it by 4. Okay. So that is area of triangle AXY. Now what will be the area of this particular quadrilateral? So now I can very clearly understand that area of triangle ABC is how made, that is area of triangle AXY plus area of quadrilateral XBCY, right? So that is area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is told to you as 16, and area of triangle AXY depends on your thinking. Shall you take it as 9 point, will you take it as 2.25 or 9 by 4? Calculative purpose you can, so one subtraction, so it is 9 by 4 I am taking, plus area of quadrilateral XBCY. So I will get this as 16 minus 9 by 4 brought here is area of quadrilateral XBCY. Now 16 4s are 64, 64 minus 9, because denominators are not same, so obviously you have to cross multiply, take LCM. In short, 64 minus 9, 64 minus 9 I think so is 55. So area of quadrilateral XBCY is 55 by 4 square centimeters. Okay. Now the main part comes. Okay, I am interested in finding what? I am interested in finding area of triangle BXY. Means I need to join this. Okay. So area of triangle BXY, if I want to find, so there must be some role present over here. Getting it? And what is that role? For finding area of triangle BXY, I need to understand what will be the ratio of division of these two. Then only I'll be able to find area of triangle BXY. Okay. Now pause the video for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Think, do not see it further immediately. Think how you will be able to get this. So, have you thought? Now let me direct you. First of all, my interest is getting this particular triangle. Okay. So this triangle I will get in this particular triangle. Okay. So where this triangle is related, that I will see pehle. Okay, this triangle ABY is related with BYC. Very good. They are having base linear and opposite what is common. So obviously height will be same. So that is my first step of thinking. Number 1, 2, 3. I think so 3 only, na? Okay, let me. This is my fourth one. I don't know exactly what is the number. So area of triangle ABY is to area of triangle BYC is AY is to YC. Okay, the base is linear, that is why height is same, and height is same. I have talked about when height is same in my previous videos, so please go through that. You will get the ratio as AY is to YC, and actually using basic proportionality theorem here. Actually we know that this line is parallel to this side. That means if there is a line in a triangle cutting two sides of the triangle and parallel to third side, then it divides the two sides in proportion. That was your basic proportionality theorem. That means ratio of AY is to YC, which we have not mentioned here, is also same as AX is to XB. So that will be equal to this area of triangle ABY is to area of triangle BYC is your AY is to YC, which is same as AX is to XB, which is your 3 is to 5. So I will mention here कि AX is to XB is equal to AY is to YC, that is 3 is to 5. Now whom you want to survive, that you decide. I want to survive with this ABY. That means I can kill this BYC. So I will do inverted do. So I get area of triangle BYC is to area of triangle ABY. BYC went upside, this came down, is equal to 5 is to 3. This is inverted do. Okay. Now BYC you got, okay, BYC, and you got ABY. If you carry out componendo in this, then obviously it will be giving you area of triangle ABC, which you already have. So I will be carrying out componendo over here. So you get area of triangle BYC plus area of triangle ABY, that is nothing but area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ABY is 8 is to 3. Okay, this you got. Now once area of triangle ABC already I know, that is 16 is to area of triangle ABY, that is equal to 8 is to 3. So on solving, what I will get, area of triangle ABY is equal to 16 into 3 upon 8. So you get area of triangle ABY to be as 6 unit square. I think the centimeters reverse, so it will be centimeter square. So square centimeters. Okay. Now area of triangle ABY you got. Now again you can very clearly see over here that area of triangle AXY is to area of triangle BXY is, that is again these two triangles, if you see, they are having base linear and opposite vertex common. So height is same. The ratio only will be of bases, that is AX is to XB. Tick. So here, this obviously you will write the reason here, ki height same. I did not write the reason here. Again, here also height is same, I need to write. Okay. Reasons are very important. So area of triangle AXY. Now whom you want to survive and whom you want to kill. But that is not required also, I think so. Here AXY also we have found out. Yes, we have already found out. Okay. It is 9 by 4 or 2.25. So 2.25 is the area of triangle AXY, and this is area of triangle BXY. And AX is to XB is already 3 is to 5. So what I get is the area of triangle BXY is equal to 2.25 into 5 upon 3. Okay, or you can take it as 9 by 4. That will be more easy for calculation purpose. So taking it 9 by 4, what I get is, so I get it to be as 45 by 12 square centimeters. Okay, so here if you see ki I have found the area of quadrilateral XBCY, so that did not come in use. But let it be, it is very good to know also. Sometimes it may be asked also. So this is the way the special questions are framed. And this is the way you will be thinking for the special questions. Okay. Till I come with more questions, study well, goodbye and thank you.